Hi everyone, welcome. In front of me are Happy Plugs R1 Plus. And today I will show you how can you allow access to contacts and call history. Let's get started. At first we have to remove them from our case, just like that. Right and left one. Now we have to scroll down to our control panel, hold our finger on Bluetooth. As you can see, we're now connected. We have to go to our gear icon and we can disable all access and we can enable all access to contacts and call history. That's it for today. Hope it helps. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos. Goodbye.